welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. For Guineans, 5 September 2021 was the day in which a coup d'etat deposed the first president following free elections. It had been 11 years since he came to power, a period during which the promises and hopes of reforms and greater freedom were gradually and ineluctably denied by the facts. In Guinea-Conakry, which has a population of about 12 million, most people live hand to mouth, a subsistence economy that is not touched by the income derived from the natural resources of which this nation is rich. The country has the world's first deposit of bauxite, a mineral essential for the production of aluminium. The consequences of the war in Ukraine and the sanctions against Russia must be added to a particularly difficult world situation due to the pandemic. The price of oil, bauxite and cereals has skyrocketed, and the poorest countries are paying the consequences dramatically, including Guinea-Conakry, unfortunately. Furthermore, the country's political instability does not provide guarantees to those rich countries that in Africa have decided to invest primarily in China, the leading importer of bauxite from Guinea. On 25th and 26th November, the expanded team of the Salesian Center for Ongoing Formation America met in Quito, Ecuador. This team, which acts as a curator, has the task of accompanying the life of the center, collaborating in discussions and decisions, evaluating the year and planning the training proposals for 2023. All the members of the team participated in the meeting, Salesians and lay people, the two regional councillors, Father Hugo Orozco for Inter-America and Father Gabriel Romero for the Southern Cone, Father Francisco Santos of the Disastery of Formation, and the two regional coordinators of Formation, Father Carlos Romero and Father Jose Antonio Santis. From 18 to 20 November 2022 in Pondok Pendawa, Tegal near Jakarta, an inter-religious youth camp was held in which 30 people took part, 19 young people, Christians and Muslims, and 11 facilitators of the Youth Interfaith Peace Committee, YIPC, Youth Inter-Religious Committee for Peace. Most of the Muslim participants were adherents of the Ahmadiyya and the Nahdlatul Ulama, while the Christian group was made up of Catholics, mainly candidates for the priesthood. In the Catholic group of the camp, there were 5 Salesians from the post-novitiate community, Don Bosco Wisma, Wilfridus Pita Raja, Arnoldus Janur Batingop, Ambrosius Otu, and Celianus Angung Sefe, and Fabianus Caro. The 3-day program helped participants get to know each other better and let go of stereotypes based on ignorance of other religions. The Don Bosco Saran Rehabilitation Center for Children was inaugurated last Saturday, 26 November 2022 in Monvilla near Thiruvananthapuram, capital of the Indian state of Kerala, conceived by the Planning and Development Office of the India Bangalore Province, the Bangalore Rural Educational and Development Society. In the context of its program for the education and accompaniment of drug addicts, drug rehabilitation education and mentoring. The center will offer the children and youth of Kerala a path towards addiction recovery and well-being. The Don Bosco Siren Center will provide detoxification and addiction recovery services for children under the age of 18. Services offered include inpatient and outpatient treatment, free room and board, and various types of counseling, individual, group, and family, together with life skills courses and pathways and recreational activities. Over 700 young people from dozens of works of the Salesians of Don Bosco and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians throughout northeast Brazil, after 2 years of stoppage due to the pandemic, gathered from 25th to 27 November at the Salesian School of the Sacred Heart in Recife to experience the Salesian Youth Festival together. Spirituality, music, dance, theatre, sporting activities, and moments of conviviality were the protagonists of these days. Furthermore, on 26 November, a Mass was celebrated in honor of Saint Ademite Zati, presided over by Father Francisco Inacio, Provincial of the Brazil Recife Province, BRE. On the last day, however, space was given to the talents of the youngsters who performed in theatrical performances and choreography. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.